So welcome to the next stop on our tour. This is the Portahopper room. This is my favorite room. This is my favorite machine. This is actually just a mixer. Other units that we've seen in APS are what we call Gemco formulators. This is Gemco mixing. And this is Gemco mixing at its finest because it is continuous mixing. That means that we can run continuous production in this unit all day long. The design of this unit is very unique, and we use it here at APS to serve all of our clients who have very large campaign trials. When you look at the unit behind me, you'll notice that halfway through the shell, it's cut in half. This unit has a hopper underneath it. So the entire mixer will actually drop down. The hopper drops down to the ground and can be wheeled around the facility at any time and any place. Therefore, it allows you built-in material handling. That's very important to us because our customers, as an extension of their manufacturing, we need to keep up with their production demands. And your production demands are extremely important to us. So we actually have 6 hoppers for this machine, meaning at any given time, one hopper can be in quality control, one hopper can be at cleaning, one hopper can be at loading, one hopper can be discharging, and one hopper can be staging or getting ready to actually run. The hopper that you see behind me is actually attached to the unit. It's in the upright position, meaning the hooks around of it are all locked in place, meaning that the wheels are also above the ground. This hopper is ready to spin. It's ready to produce. Some of our pharmaceutical clients use Portahoppers all the time in their production, and they're using the hoppers in a variety of different ways, in a variety of different stages throughout the entire process. Some pharmaceuticals, they use it on top of the tablet filler, and it becomes a material handling device to feed their tablet or capsule fillers. Others use it in their QC, some are in quarantine, some are in staging, some are in shipping, and they actually use these devices all over their plant for ease of use. The Portahopper is a little different from a formulator. In a formulator, you can dry, heat the shell, you can coat, you can add liquids, and you can pull vacuum to dry off excess liquid. In the Portahopper, you can still fragrance, you can still flavor, or you can still spray surface treatments whenever you'd like. Adding on liquid is still just as easy as doing it in a formulator. However, when you add on liquid, some of our clients add it on neat or with very, very little carrier that will not get dried off. This unit behind me is a mixer, meaning it has a single shell, not 3, that we need for heating media and insulation. Therefore, this is not a dryer, or it cannot pull vacuum. So this is mainly meant for blending and blending of large volumes of material. Gemco is always trying to look out for its clients as well as their operators, and safety is paramount. So the Portahopper fits that role perfectly. And when we designed this piece of equipment, safety was in mind. As you can see, there are forklift attachments. You're able to forklift this around, or it's simple and balanced and you're able to push it. You can push this material handling device or forklift it wherever you need it to go. In addition, because the whole bottom drops out and is portable, you are able to be flexible with your cleaning and not have a confined space for your operators. This is huge for any OSHA internal safety committee that you may have at your plant, and our clients love to hear this. Like every other production room in APS, we designed this room with a level and standard of cleanliness that is only equatable to your own production facility. We make sure that our walls are stainless steel so they're easily washed down. We make sure our floors are nicely epoxied so therefore they're easily washed down as well. Product changeover and cleanover has never been easier with our stainless steel support frames, as well as washdown motors, and of course our stainless steel units. Here at APS, you never have to worry about contamination, cross-contamination from other products or suppliers, or any contaminant getting into your product. You can make sure that you have a safe and consistent result every time by using APS. Many of our customers who use the Portahopper also use the jet mill process afterwards. This is an extra milling step. We actually use the Portahopper as our material handling device to put it on top of our jet mill, in which case the material is actually gravity fed straight into our jet mill hopper. We can utilize the Portahopper as our material handling step. This means that we don't have to touch the powder. It literally leaves this unit and goes straight to our jet mill for quicker and more efficient processing for you.